morning, good evening, good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to discuss on one of the important topic, which is how to switch the career from mechanical to IT. Nowadays, if you are seeing the average salary of mechanical engineer is not up to the mark. So many mechanical engineers trying to change or switch their career from mechanical to IT, and they are not getting the path accurate. So in this video, we are discussing about steps to change the career to IT from mechanical background. So please stay till end of this video. I would like to give you 10 steps which are really very important if you really want to switch your career from mechanical background to IT background. Okay. If you are having any issues, you can just contact to complexsql@gmail.com. First, self-assessment. These are the steps you require to consider while you are thinking of changing the job from mechanical to IT. So first in and most important thing is self-assessment. Switching from mechanical engineering background career to information technology requires some planning and effort. So you require to do your total planning. In my upcoming videos, I would like to give you the stepwise execution how you can do or how you can switch from mechanical engineering background to IT industry. So I would like to give you that steps in upcoming videos. So what is first step? That is self assessment. Self assessment is nothing but evaluating your interest and aptitude in IT. If you are really interested in IT, if you are fond of the computers and any other skills related to software, then and then only you can just try with the first step. Consider your reasons for switching and identify specific areas within IT that appeal you. So you require to check the areas from the IT. IT is just like a big sea, big ocean. In that ocean, you require to pick your islands, right? So just like that, you require to pick the specific areas within the IT which really appeals you. Like if you like the software development, then you can go ahead with the software development. If you like cybersecurity, you can choose the cybersecurity. If you want to work on the data part, then data analysis is nowadays best option. Or if you really like the network, then you can choose the network. So first choose your interest where you want to go. The software development, cybersecurity testing, or any other stream, just choose that, take that decision on time. Then next step is very important step. Do your research about the industry. Gain a thorough understanding of IT field. So as you are now, I'm considering that you are now working in the mechanical industry field. You must have to know about the multiple softwares. In mechanical industry also, you are using the SAP like softwares, right? So you require to start gaining the knowledge towards the softwares and IT field. You can also learn about different roles, what are the skills required, what are the current trends, explore the job description, educational requirements, and industry certifications related to IT roles that interests you. So this step, I'm going to create one video on self-assessment and research step separately. So you can go through that video. It will help you to choose your skill set uh, while switching to IT. So that is the second step. You can just sit, write on pen paper, like what are the different job descriptions of IT and which are the targeted job description as per your experience and your knowledge. Third thing is identify transferable skills. That is also very important important topic or important step while you are thinking to change to your career to IT. So in this step, what you require to identify skills that you have developed as a mechanical engineer. Okay, so there are few skills like communication skill, problem solving skill. That skills also required in the IT industry as well. So you can write your resume, you can just identify that skill set which are really important for IT industry. Okay, so I would like to give you some examples over here, but you require to sit and you require to write all the identifiable skills whatever you are having, which transfers from mechanical to IT industry. Because in interview, the interviewer might ask you this these kind of questions. So this may include problem solving skill, analytical thinking, attention to detail, attention to detail, then project management skill. It includes also teamwork. You could have a good team player. So you can also tell that I was working in mechanical industry and I was a good team player. Highlight these skills in your resume and job interviews. When you are having the interviews, you require to highlight that skills. That is the third step. Fourth step is field knowledge gaps. That is most important step. When you are switching from mechanical to IT industry, all things are new to you, right? So it is not like a mechanical engineering, right? Means a mechanical engineering job. So you require to identify technical skills and knowledge required for your chosen IT role. So that is most important step to choose your role. First, you require to study the roles in the IT. Then you require to choose your role. Okay. So and according to that role, you require to grab your technical skills. Okay. To grab the technical skills, what you require to do? You can do online courses, like you can check the YouTube. You can check the YouTube videos as well. Attend the workshops, pursue degree program to gain the necessary skills. These kind of thing you can do it. Then start with a foundational IT concept like programming language, databases, networking, and operating system. You must have to know these four concepts by any cost. Any one programming language, that is Java, .NET, any of the programming language, HTTP, any programming language. Databases, that is Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL, any of the database you must have to know. I'm not telling you to gain the thorough knowledge, but you require to know that for at least interview purpose. The networking knowledge and operating systems knowledge, like Unix operating system, Linux operating system, or Windows operating system which we are using. If you require some Unix interview questions, or if you require some basic SQL interview questions, I'll give the link in the description box. So please stay till end of this video. This is really very interesting video for you guys, and if you follow these steps, I am sure that you will grab your first IT job 100%. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So we are moving towards the next step, that is gain practical experience. So gaining the knowledge and gaining practical experience, these are two different concepts. First step, you require to gain the knowledge on any of the skill set. Let's say if you require to target for the Java developer, then you require to gain the knowledge of Java, and then next step is you require to gain the practical experience. So I will separately do the video for step 4 and step 5 together, but currently I'm just giving the snapshot of what is gaining the practical experience. It is nothing but look for the opportunities to gain the hands-on experience in the IT. Just like you can consider some internships, you can do some internship part-time, volunteer. You can volunteer the software engineers uh, who are working, or who are your friends, of working on the personal projects to develop your skills and build your portfolio. Building the portfolio is very important. Gaining practical experience is very important while you are targeting the IT jobs. Practical experience is highly valued by employers and can help you to stand out in the job market. Let's consider that if there are two mechanical engineers targeting for one Java developer job. Okay, and let's consider that I am taking that interview. I am the interviewer. One employee has completed one internship for 3 months in one of the company. Okay, and one employee does not have the internship experience. I will consider that one employee who has completed the internship. So just like that, it is the age for you to gain the practical experience as well. Okay. Next important thing is building network. So for this step also, I would like to create one more video how to build the networking with using LinkedIn. I am having more than 10,000 plus followers on my LinkedIn. So I will tell you how I have built. I'm building my LinkedIn network. It is still in the process, but yes, you require to build your network on the LinkedIn LinkedIn applications. So building a professional network in the IT industry and attend the industry events. So there are a lot of industry events. There are nowadays there are so many podcasts on the YouTube. You require to attend that industry events. Join the relevant online communities. You can attend, join online communities on Telegram. I'm having a Telegram channel as well. So you can just join the channel Telegram and all the channels. Connect with the professionals who are already working in the field. If you are having some friends who are working in the IT industry, you can connect with them. Networking can provide you the valuable insights, mentorship, and potential job opportunities. Okay, so if you want to check for the job opportunities also, networking is most important in the IT industry. So you require to start building your network. Next and most important thing is update your resume. So I would like to have a separate video on this step 7 as well, but you require to update your CV as per your targeted IT skills. Okay. Tailor your resume to highlight relevant IT skills and experiences. Emphasize your transferable skills. We spoke about the transferable skills in previous slide, like any analytical skills. If you are a good team player, if you manage the team, then project management, that is also a transferable skill. And any IT related projects or coursework that you have completed, you require to highlight that things on your resume. Okay, I would say like you require to convert your mechanical engineering resume in IT resume in IT style resume so that interviewer can consider you as an IT engineer. Okay, so you require to also add the technical skills as well as technical competencies as well. So we'll move towards the next step, that is job search and applications. When I'm going to, I would like to create a separate video on LinkedIn, how to build the network on the LinkedIn for mechanical engineers or specifically. So with that, I will tell you how to search a job as well, or I will prepare a separate video for job searching and what are the different applications or job search applications for specifically for IT industry. So I'll create a separate video on this, but this is also the important step to search your job or to switch from mechanical to IT industry. Begin searching for entry level IT positions and align your interests and skills. So here also there is a bifurcation. If you are having more than 5 years of experience in mechanical industry, then it's really difficult for you to switch to IT. You require to gain your skills, gain your knowledge like at least 3 or 4 years IT industry, IT experience guy. Okay, if you are having more than 5 years of experience, or you can target the positions like project management, scrum master, product owner, just like that you can target that things. But if you are having experience less than 5 years, yeah, everybody can switch. It's I'm not saying like only less than 5 year experience members can switch their career from mechanical to IT. But yeah, you require to do the hard work for the same. Okay. Leverage your online job boards, professional networking platforms, and company websites to find the opportunities. You require to leverage online job boards. What are the professional networking platforms like LinkedIn? I told you. Okay. Then customize your job application to showcase your suitability for the role and explain how your mechanical engineering background is an asset. So there are a lot of companies where they are having a separate unit who are managing the mechanical engineering things like vehicles is a separate unit for big short companies. So in you require to target those companies and you require to tell them like mechanical engineering background is asset for you, it's not liability to your company. Okay, so this is the step 8. Then next step is about continuous learning. So it's not like you require to continuously learn because it is changing on every day, it is rapidly evolving the field, right? So commit to lifelong learning. If you require to switch to IT, you require to learn on every day. Okay. So there is change in every day in technologies, in project management methods. 15 years back, there is a traditional project management method, but nowadays they are using Scrum. In Scrum also, right now they are using Safe Agile and all those things. Extreme programming we are using right nowadays. So everything is changing rapidly in the IT industry. Whether you are going in the project management stream or non-technical stream or technical stream, you require to learn on every day. So stay updated with the new technologies. What are the new industry trends? What are the best practices? You require to stay updated on that. Pursue your certifications that are relevant to your chosen IT specialization. Let's say if you chose the Scrum Master role as a targeted role for you, then you require to you as a person required to do some certifications of Scrum Master, like Professional Scrum Master 1, Professional Scrum Master 2, or any other certification like that, as they can enhance your credibility. It if you do the certification, it will enhance your credibility and open up for new opportunities. This is also very important step while you try when you try to switch. And last and most important step is be persistent and adaptable. So accept the change. Okay, in IT industry every day the processes are changing, everything is processes are changing, technology is changing. So switching career can be very challenging. I can understand that uh, switching from mechanical engineer and working in all over the new environment is the big challenge, but persistent is the key. Be open to starting in the entry level positions and gradually working your way up. So if you are having good experience, be open for starting at entry level positions like junior programmer. Okay, adapt the changing job market and be willing to take a new challenges and learning opportunities. So this job market is very changing. Okay, so you require to be challenging, you require to learn a lot, and you require to accept the change. Be persistent and adaptable. That is the 10 steps. If you follow these steps properly, I am sure that 100% you will switch your job from mechanical industry or any other industry to IT industry. If you are having that dream, I'm sure you can do that. Remember that this path of switching career may vary to for each individual. So it is these steps are just a straightforward steps I have given. It's up to you guys. Like what is the intensity level for switching your career from mechanical to IT. It's important to stay focused, be patient, and preserve through the transition process. Okay, and the persistent is key. You require to be patient. If you failed in one or two job interviews, then you cannot leave that uh, in between. You require to be patient. You require to learn from that interview process, all the things. Okay, and I'm sure if you are confident that you will switch your career, then I'm sure that you can. Okay, so hope you like this video. I'll make more videos on this topic going forward. If you like this video, kindly do subscribe my channel so that you can see all other videos which are very very important to switch your career to IT industry. And do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.